The information provided by Michael Beebe and this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. Michael Beebe is not a licensed financial advisor or investment professional. The content presented does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Before making any financial decisions, it is strongly recommended that you seek advice from a qualified financial advisor or investment professional who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other financial instruments involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there is no guarantee that any investment strategy will achieve its objectives. Michael Beebe and this channel are not responsible for any losses or damages arising from the use of this information or from any decisions made based on the content provided. Always conduct your own research and consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals before making any investment decisions.
Welcome to our video on getting started with cryptocurrency investments. Today, we're diving into a crucial principle for anyone new to the crypto space: starting small. Invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility. Prices can swing dramatically in short periods, and while this presents opportunities for substantial gains, it also means there's potential for significant losses. Because of this inherent risk, it's vital to invest only what you can afford to lose. Think of it this way: imagine you're putting money into a venture where you're prepared to part with it if things don't go as planned. This doesn't mean you should invest recklessly or treat your funds as disposable. Instead, it means you should choose an amount that won't jeopardize your daily life, savings, or long-term financial stability if the market turns against you. Starting with a small, manageable investment helps you learn the ropes of cryptocurrency trading without putting yourself under financial strain. It allows you to experience the market's ups and downs, and to gain insights and experience without risking more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your investments. Another important tip for beginners is diversification. Just as with traditional investments, don't put all your money into one cryptocurrency. Diversifying your investments across different assets can help manage risk and protect you from the volatility of any single cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency markets are highly speculative and can be influenced by a range of factors, including technological developments, regulatory news, and market sentiment. By spreading your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies, you reduce the impact that a single poor-performing asset can have on your overall portfolio. For instance, you might choose to invest in a mix of established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have demonstrated stability and wide adoption, alongside newer or niche cryptocurrencies with unique use cases or technology. This strategy helps balance potential risks and rewards. Diversification doesn't mean you should invest in dozens of cryptocurrencies, which could complicate your portfolio and dilute your focus. Instead, select a few promising ones that align with your research and investment goals. This approach allows you to manage your investments more effectively and to make informed decisions based on your own risk tolerance and financial objectives. Conclusion: starting small and diversifying are foundational principles for successful cryptocurrency investing. By investing only what you can afford to lose, you safeguard your financial well-being, while diversification helps mitigate risk and enhances your chances of achieving more stable returns. Remember, cryptocurrency investing is a journey. It requires patience, research, and a cautious approach. By applying these principles, you'll be better equipped to navigate the volatile world of crypto and build a strong foundation for your investment strategy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into cryptocurrency investing. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you on your crypto journey.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more great content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.